In this video, I'm going to share with you how I bought this business that was losing nearly £500,000 a year, and how we quickly turned it around in 12 months, and how you could use these tactics to help grow your business. Let's go. So here we are, we're at Marsh Farm. It's where our head office is. It's where I work from every day. Little drone shot in there, chudders, just so people can understand. This is a family visitor attraction. It was losing hundreds and hundreds of thousands of pounds. We bought it and we put our systems, our marketing knowledge onto this business and turned it around to increase revenues and reduce costs. And I'm going to share with you our sort of 5-point plan of how we've done this. But I think this 5-point plan works for any business, whether it's already profitable or whether it's really struggling and losing money, or, as most businesses are, in the average middle, just about getting by, in between part. I'm going to share all. Let's go. So number one is making sure that your product is on point. See, basically what this place had was a product that was fit for 10, 15 years ago, but people had stopped coming. Here's a big thing that I always talk about with businesses. If you don't innovate, you're going to evaporate. So you make sure that you're constantly doing the innovation of your product or service, and it's continually innovating in everything. People don't use airline tickets anymore. You've got to scan on your phone. So if you're not finding these things that people want, that change, that makes their lives easier, and you're not innovating, you're definitely going to evaporate. So the first thing we had to do was improve the product. That's the most important thing about business, making sure you've got a product that people love, want and need, or at least love and want it. Promotion. That's the second thing that we did to catapult this business through. And here's the thing that I've discovered about most business owners. They're just not good enough at promoting their business. The marketing of your business is absolutely key and critical if you want to get above the noise where everyone else is. Here's the thing that they didn't do here. They didn't do enough promotion. We went overboard on promotions. We put a person, 2 people, including my time as well, fully on promoting this place so that we could get out to the masses and actually get people here. The phrase build it and people will come is not true. It's build it and then market it and promote it, then people will come. And that's what we did. Point 3 was getting our pricing, and crucially our pricing architecture, really right. So here's the thing, most business owners are scared about putting their prices up, but they don't know really what they're doing with their pricing. What I like to come up with is a really smart piece of pricing architecture. What does that mean? Well, allow me to explain. Imagine you're a tech company and you're going to call yourself Google. Well, most of your customers are doing business with you for free. They're searching on your Google website and they're not paying anything to do it. But because of that, gang, because of all of those people searching for stuff on Google, Google can then sell Google pay-per-click, which is their ideal customers. I mean, I've literally paid thousands, tens of thousands, probably £1 million now to Google over my business lifetime, because they've got loads of most customers that I want to get their eyeballs in front of my price and products and promote on their platform. And that's what I do in my businesses. I come up with a pricing architecture where I can get hundreds of thousands of most customers for a very low barrier to entry price that allows me to shop for our ideal customers. In my cases, that will be childcare, membership, and higher price ticket events. It's a smart thing to do. What's your pricing architecture? Have you even got one? Point number 4 is perpetual revenue, or as I prefer to call it, residual income. But because I wanted to go with the P theme through this video, I kept it with perpetual revenue. And just like this river flows every day, imagine a business where you can predict what revenue you've got coming in. This is residual income. It's perpetual. It comes in. So what I did is I added on direct debit memberships where people could come to our farm park or any of our venues on a monthly basis for a small amount that they just pay for each month. So we haven't got to write to them, say, hey, come back. Same with our day nurseries. We've got a day nursery on site where customers stay with us for 3 or 4 years and they pay us every single month. Having perpetual residual income into your business is the biggest stress buster that I've managed to ever work out, where you can really predict what's going to happen. The real cruel, harsh thing about businesses is most businesses start from 0 each month. That means they have to find new customers every single month. And I reckon 20 to 30% have an element of residual income. But here's the thing, our farm park wasn't a residual income business. So we bolted on businesses via membership and childcare and predictable events that allowed us to predict what was going to happen. That is one of the biggest things that you need to do in your business. How can you get your business to be more residual and far more predictable? The last point, and this is the one that cannot be underestimated, is your people. So many business owners, entrepreneurs that I meet, want to be the control freak of their business. Well, for me, I'm very different. I like getting in as many people to come work for us to make stuff happen. And we wanted to choose great people, and we brought in a whole new team that just literally saw the business to success. They had the right attitude and not necessarily the right skill set. And this was the thing that we've crucially made difference here. We looked for people that had the right attitude, that was on brand for us, and then we skilled them up over a period of time. That is the smart thing to do. So many businesses that we've taken over where you've got highly skilled people with the wrong attitude, and if you live in that world where you have highly skilled people with the wrong attitude, you'll never get the right culture for your business. It's far easier to get someone that's happy and hardworking with the right attitude, skilled up into your way of thinking. So there's my 5 P's of sorting this business out that was losing literally nearly £500,000 a year, and turned that into a business within sort of 12-18 months that was sort of contributing £250,000 a year. That's a big difference. We've done it in a quick amount of time, and it's down to promotion, it's down to product, it's down to people, it's down to that perpetual revenue, and that other P that I can't remember what I said. Price and pricing architecture. That's the final cocktail in the 5 P's of building a perfect business. Hopefully you see what I did there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit subscribe, get the comments below, let me know if you've got another P that you'd like to add on to our 5 P's to help grow your business. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Thanks for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed it. To help grow your business, don't forget you can watch more of my videos by clicking here, and don't forget to hit subscribe to the YouTube channel by clicking this button right here. It gets better than that because you can come and see me at one of my seminars to help grow your business. All the details of how you can get to one of those for free is in the video description.